camera. I bought it from you. Have a look. After like 2 days or 3 days, depends on the driving, how much you drive. I drove like very low, like maybe like 50 miles, and after that it's giving me the message the card is full, and after that it's not recording at all. If you see that, it says card is full and recording button is finished. If you press it, it says card full. So now what we need to do, manually we need to press home, then go to the setting and format card, and then press OK, and now it's done. Now it will start recording again. If I can show you here, see, so this is the problem. It should be recording, but it should be formatting the card or deleting the first video automatically. It should not be giving the error message. It stopped recording by itself. That's not good.